Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your username on Facebook using the latest version of the app. Whether you've outgrown your old username or simply want to refresh your online identity, this quick guide will help you make the change in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to edit. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon. It's usually in the bottom or top corner of your screen depending on your device. Tap it to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your Facebook account. Next, find and tap on Accounts Center. This is where Facebook connects all the settings for your accounts in Meta, including Instagram, if you have it linked. Inside the Account Center, tap on Profiles. You'll see your profile listed here. Select the one you want to update. Once you've chosen your account, tap on Username. This is where you can view and modify your current username. Make sure to type carefully because usernames must be unique, and Facebook doesn't allow special characters or spaces. Choose a name that fits you or your brand and is easy for others to find. After entering your new username, double-check for spelling or unwanted symbols. When everything looks perfect, tap Done. Facebook will update your username, and you'll be good to go. In some cases, the change might take a few minutes to show across all devices, but it's usually instant. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook username. Your new name will now appear on your profile, and anyone searching for you will see it immediately. It's a simple update, but it can make a huge difference in how you present yourself online. Thanks for watching.